I came in with a zero knowledge about makeup, so now I know a little bit about it.
So Sam has been doing all my wedding makeup right from my engagement to my baby shower now. So that's how I know Sam, and I'm glad I did a workshop.
I'm a very beginner person from makeup, so I really loved the session and I learned so many things, and I think I'll use it for my future.
I was the first one to register, I think.
I follow Samantha on Instagram, and that's how I got to know about this session.
The eye makeup that she did was very nice.
Okay.
I mean, I've seen many makeup artists do that very dramatic eyes, but hers was like very subtle and natural looking eye makeup.
We know a lot of products that when we see Sam do her work, we know exactly how those products work on our skin. So, like right from the strokes to everything. So it was very informative, you know. And we know we started using those products in a completely different way after we started. We started.
I think she's covered. Like whatever I wanted, she's covered.
Okay.
So I'm happy.
The best thing about this session was you're not kind of feeling intimidated by your lack of knowledge about the makeup or anything. She made it really user friendly.
We had a lot of fun today, and I think we started for that. We've been here for the last 4-5 hours, and time flew by.
It was great. I didn't like it much. Next Sunday work Sunday. At least people who know me will know how bad I am at makeup, and I think I'm little decent now.